Stop scrolling because this might stink. If you are an IT professional, engineer, or a manager working for 10 plus years and you are stuck in the same salary income and you are earning, then let me ask you this. How many more years you are willing to wait for that big break? You are not stuck because of your company. You are stuck because of your systems. Honest with yourself, you already know yourself very well. Every appraisal seasons, you hope for the best, and what you get 5% or max 10%. What about the promotions? Delayed, right? What about the side hustles? That's too draining. And in deep down, a voice whispers you, is that it? Is this my career ever going to be? Then let me tell you something. This is not your fault. This is the system you are following, which is actually broken. Yes, you heard it right. The system you are following is broken. Think about it. You have been told that you are working harder, putting more hours, and waiting for your turn that eventually will pay off. What has it? But here is the truth. Wealth is not about working harder. It is about the smarter blueprint. The most professional is actually stuck in a system that rewards the effort, not just the result. A system that keeps you trading your time for money with no real growth actually inside. And I get it. I have been there. A few years ago, I was exactly at the same place where you are right now, working for long hours, waiting for the big break, and feeling stuck as usual. Yeah. No matter how much effort I put in, my income barely moved. But then I realized something really took me. The problem wasn't my job. Problem was my approach. And I was following the wrong system. Yes, you are right. I was following the wrong systems. And let me ask you this. How many times you have thought, if I just work little harder, things will go a little better? But here is the hypnotic truth. The wealthiest people don't work harder, they work differently. They follow the blueprint, the rewire, how they think about money, how they spot the hidden income opportunities, and how they multiply their wealth. Very simple, because they have the right system in place. And that is the best part. You can do this too. You do not need to quit your job. You don't need to sacrifice your family time. You just need the right system. Yes, you just need the right system. Let me share you a very quick story. Few years ago, I was working for 12 hours a day every day and barely spending time with my family, and consistently I was feeling stress and anxiety about money. I thought that I was doing everything possible right, but I was not moving ahead. And I thought that was the way of living my life because I did not get any clue. But then something happened. Something changed drastically. And I hit a breaking point. I realized that no matter how hard I worked, I was never going to achieve my financial freedom, which I wanted, and which, by the way, which is I also deserve it, and you deserve to. And that is when I decided to create my own blueprint, a system that helped me to break free from the paycheck to paycheck and start building a real wealth. And today, I am here to share you that exact blueprint with you. Are you really serious to take that blueprint? This is the same exact system which is the paid client, the paid members are using, called these wealth accelerator systems. It is designed specifically for professionals like you. It is designed so that people can increase their savings by 15,000 to 30,000 rupees per month without their sacrificing their job or quitting their jobs. And also you can build a side incomes in doing your job itself. And you don't need to sacrifice your family times or the best profession you wanted to be. And in these systems, you will learn key three things. First, how you can identify and eliminate your hidden money blocks, which is actually silently holding you back. And You will also identify how to spot the untapped income opportunity that is most professionals don't even look at. And third, how you can create a side income experiment which fits exactly in your busy schedule, which I call is multiple source of income. Yeah. And the best part is you do not need to spend hours and hours every day to do this and to get the result. But don't take my words so seriously. Yeah. Just listen some of the case study who applied these systems and got tremendous results. Let's take example of Priya, a software engineer who was earning 50,000 rupees a month and feeling stuck. After applying this system, she made 1.2 lakhs in just a week. Week. Take example of right. A senior manager who doubled his savings in just 30 days with the same job without sacrificing his family time. Take the example, another example of Rango Swami. You can see even Rango Swami's example in our YouTube that he exactly followed the system and he became debt free in just 45 days and he's increased his doubles in 45 days. These are the some exceptions. They are the proof that exactly it works. And here is the things. They did not do anything extraordinary. They just followed the blueprint. That's all. Here is the best part. I will show you how to do all this without working harder, without sacrificing your weekends, and without taking risking of investment. So, how much you will be serious? But before we deep dive into it, how? Let's talk about the real reason why the most people are actually stuck. Why the most people in the IT professional or the working professional are actually stuck. Biggest reason people are stuck is not about their efforts. They don't lack effort, they lack clarity. Clarity is the power. The most professional don't realize what's actually holding you back. They don't see the hidden money block are silently sabotaging their financial growth. And that is why I have created a simple assessment. It's very easy assessment. You can do it. And with that assessment, which will help you to identify your money blocks and understand exactly where you are stuck. You don't need to do things. You will understand exactly where you are stuck. Once you have that clarity, everything will change it. Yeah. And the same thing happened for me and is going to happen for you as well. For the example I have given to you, they have done that exactly the same thing. So you need to know exactly what the steps you need to break free and where you need to take the steps now so that you can break your financial freedom forever. But it is only for the serious person. If you're really serious about changing your financial future, then what I want you to do, type blueprint in the comment section and I will give you the link of that assessment. You can get the assessment done yourself and there will be very simple process is mentioned over there. You can do that. This is one option, definitely. And also you can do it if you are really ready to take actions right now. You can join my 10 days of money challenge, which is just 298 rupees. You can get the link mentioned in the description and the comment section. In this challenge, actually, you will understand how you can do it every day consistently without taking much effort. What you are going to get? You're going to get daily exercises. You will get some techniques and insights how you can kickstart your financial freedom journey from here. Yeah. Remember, nothing changes if you do not take the first step. So, if you really have already spent years of struggling and being in the same places, then take the leap of faith. Take the actions right now. Take the first steps and see the result in just 10 days without wasting for next 10 years. Don't wait for next 10 years and come back again here, why I am stuck. You have spent enough time feeling stuck. You have been waiting for things to change. But now is the time to take control of your financial future. Take the control of your financial future. And let me tell you, once you take this challenge and apply this challenge, your financial bank account will thank you. So click the link below, mention in the description and the comment section, and join the challenge. And let's build your financial thermostat in the next level. And you will unlock your wealth accelerator systems today. So let's unlock. I can't wait to see you inside and Let's break free. And I can't wait to share your result to everyone. Are you ready? Take actions right now. Thank you.